Also, this is also a familiar. So, yeah, go ahead, show me something, Mr. T. Okay, yeah. All right, this is a participation song. So when I sing some, I need y'all to sing it next. It's gonna be pretty groovy. Here we go. I said, I feel good. I said, I feel good. I said, I feel good. 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 I said, I feel good. I'm just trying to feel good, talking soulfully. Even if my lungs is what COVID be, I be writing cause the time of God spoke to me, but socially I distance my poetry. Yeah, the prophet unknowingly wrote the flow that poke every ovary and choke the brokenness side of diplomacy and make sure y'all fall like October beat. Girls like, it's the soul for me. Did you hear about the bars that he wrote for me? Oh my God, I just want him to notice me. I didn't want him back then, but the moment he blew up, I totally wanted him to be all on the roast for me. I know I used to call him ugly, but Gregory, he got my heart even sexual. Hold up, is that accurate? Now you wanna love me passionate, graphic, it gets how immaculate. Please jog my memory like mattress. Dallas, I roam, please do not call my iPhone. When I blow up, please keep up what you was on. Do not love me, now you wrong. Listen to the words in these songs, it's about how I feel like right now. I'm happy on my own, you can stop right now. Living my life, you can stop, pipe down. I'm happy on my own, you can stop right now. Loving myself, doing it better, only for my health. Peep how the wealth, starting to trickle on in. I'm praising out loud, but I'm moving in stealth. I said, I feel good. 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 Yes, sir. I want to hear that again. Go ahead, go again. Yeah, Doc. Keep going, keep going. Go again. I need another one. I need another one. I'ma just let him keep going because he going stupid. One last time, I said, I feel good. 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 Listen, I put my heart on ice, and now I feel good. I put my heart on ice, and now I feel good. Thank y'all so much. Thank you. And I thought I was over. You thought I was done? Nah. Time to bring up my partner in rhyme.